at Joshua Tree in California National Park, and it's pretty surreal. I'm in a place called Jumbo Rocks for good reason. It's amazing here. It's beautiful, and I'm still headed west, so I'm almost to the west coast, and it feels a little bit like I'm going home, and it feels pretty good. So I'm excited to check it out and check out California. So it's such a cool area. You can actually park in the campground. That's where my campsite is for tonight. Not too shabby. It's kind of magical here. To Huntington Beach. It's a little difficult to get to in your RV, but there's an RV park that's right on the beach. Made it back to the west coast. I'm at Huntington Beach right now in California in LA, and you know, it's early morning, it's kind of chilly here, and it's hard to believe that I actually made it back all the way back to the west coast. It's been quite the journey, and you know, I think what I'm going to take away from this journey is that you actually don't need a lot to survive, and you gotta, you know, live in the moment and take what you can in, and this world has a lot of beauty that it offers, and just to enjoy every minute of it.